guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Spencer, and if you're new here, this is my 3rd gen Tacoma beside me. It's been a little while since I've done a proper install video, but this might be the first install in the new garage space. But today I'm coming back with a new lighting install video. It's been a while since I've done lighting, but I have done an abundance of different SS3 Diode Dynamics lighting installs here on the channel on this truck. I've got the new Stage Series Hitch mount, which features the C1 LED pods from Diode Dynamics. It goes in the Hitch receiver of the 3rd gen Tacomas, and they make this for all sorts of different makes and models. I actually picked this up from Pro Lights here in Canada. They carry all the Diode Dynamics stuff and they always have awesome sales. But today I'm gonna install this. They claim that it's a 5-minute install, plugs directly into your factory wiring. I'm excited to get this installed. Let's go take a look at what's inside and then let's see if we can do this in under 5 minutes. So you just have 2 pieces, the wiring harness and the light pod, and the light pod is just designed to slide right into your 2-inch Hitch receiver and click into place. There's a clip on the top side that you have to push down and pull, and it's not too bad. Just give it a bit of a gentle wiggle and it'll come off. And then you're gonna take the wiring harness that's included with the Diode Dynamics kit, connect both ends, and then insert this back into that wiring harness. With the wire that's coming down that's left to connect to the actual Hitch light, you're gonna fish that through the back end and pull it through the front of the Hitch mount. So all that's left now to do is simply connecting the wiring harness up to the back of the Hitch light, and then the Hitch light just slides into the back of the Hitch here, and it should click into place with these little tabs on the sides.